Hi everyone, hope you're doing good today. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ratna again. Wish you all a happy Halloween. Today we will make Halloween fruit punch with and without alcohol.
So all you need is to add a cup and a half orange juice to a bowl, and then a cup and a half carrot juice, followed by 3 cups Sprite or any lime lemon soda, and finally sugar to your taste. And for alcoholic version, you can replace Sprite and sugar with 1 cup rum. And there you have it, Halloween fruit punch, and I really hope you'll make it.
That's all in today's segment. Thank you for watching. Also thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel updates, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.